Good afternoon and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to get back on the Farmall M. I've waited too much time, or wasted too much, well not wasted, but I had a lot of other stuff come in and trying to get that done to help fund this project, plus trying to catch up on everything around here as always. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pull this brake off. This one is already gone. Once I take this half out, then I can pull the pinion out, then we'll pull this hub out as well. Then we have to pull the gears out of the front. Once that's done, then this case is completely gutted. Then we can clean it and start prepping it and getting it ready for paint and putting it back together, but not necessarily in that order. Now in theory, this should just come right off, but I'm never that lucky. And I don't want to put a puller on it, but a pry bar. There it comes. All right, brake is off. Then let's go ahead and pull this other side out. I'm gonna put this back in here so I know where it goes for now. Okay, now this is out and it comes with shims. I've tie wrapped the shims together, so I put them back exactly like they come out. So let's see, can I slide the pinion off? Might be able to slide the pinion off. Yep. There it is. Pinion's out. And I'm greasy. All right, let's take this off. I think it's 5/8. Yep. All right. Yep, all the bolts are out. Do something with these before I lose them. It's got 2 holes here to take and press this thing out. We're going to do that. But do it easy so you don't There it is. It's been a while since I took the other half off, so I kind of forgot. So now what we'll do is pull this out, tie wrap the shims to it, and then we'll move on to the front gears. All right, we're going to take the lower shaft out now. This piece here is actually threaded. I've already removed the snap ring from the back of the shaft. I've got a pipe wrench here, and let's see if I can get lucky. Well, let me tighten up the pipe wrench. There it is. Okay. Okay, I was right. This bearing does need to come out, but I couldn't remember which way it had to go. So I went and ate supper and watched Just a Few Acres Farm. So this goes out to Pete, thank you, because the bearing has to go out this way. All right, I went home to try and edit the video, and part of the disassembly of my tractor, somehow it didn't record or whatever, probably operator error. So what I did was I come back down here to redo that part of the video where I removed the lower shaft. Now, I was correct. You drive the bearing back out toward the back end of the tractor, and the splice nut that I call it, that drives the belly pump, that is threaded. Like I said, you loosen that up so you can, so that this will stay in place, and you can spin it through the seal in the bearing here in the front while you drive this one out. You can rotate it, tap on the center race, rotate it, tap on the center race, and it comes out. So, but I just wanted you to see that that is how it's done. From the first part of the video, you can see that, but once this bearing is removed, then you can take and slide this shaft back, come straight up out of here with it like this, and it's out.